black swans, Murphy's Law. I mean, at a certain point, you just have to sign off and cross your goddamn fingers and hope for the best.
Black swans, destroying bull markets since ages ago. In this week's Financial Fear Porn, Gallup polls showed investment confidence in real estate has dropped to an all-time low, well below levels in 2008. Will this be the tipping point for another black swan type event? Not likely, mate. Black swans are like ninjas. You just don't see them coming.
We're stealth ninjas. We make no sound.
So to get to the bottom of this shenanigans and figure what it all means, you only got to look at the Gallup poll that was released the very next day. But the majority of respondents still said that real estate was their favourite asset class and the best place to be at this time of the market. Now, if that doesn't set off some alarm bells, like, in this digital age, who the hell is filling out Gallup surveys? It turns out when we whittle it down, there's only a small section of the community that's got landlines, are home during the day, and happen to control the vast majority of wealth across the nation. They got themselves here through hard work, sacrifice, and an unprecedented boom in asset values over the last 5 decades. And now they're balling out of control and filling out Gallup surveys. Understanding the risk appetite and investment psychology of the generation with the most capacity to supercharge asset values can allow other investors to ride the momentum. Across major markets in the US, the UK, and the Asia Pacific, there is a deep-rooted belief that the home is your castle. These grey-haired financial shaman have lived long enough to see the commies take over the central banks. They've lived through SBF donating your hard-earned deposits to the political classes. And through all this, the conservatively leveraged family home has stood strong. It has been the theatre of truly valuable and memorable moments for them. So the fact that the NASDAQ has just had its strongest start to the year, best 6 months in 40 years, 30% returns. Don't care much for those 30% returns, because grandma knows those type of returns are fleeting. That money will be lost the moment Robinhood reinstates your access to out-of-the-money option trading. While the family home will be where your sorry ass comes crawling back to for Christmas dinner.
Dinner.